Hi, this is Tammy from DIY Domination. Have you ever wondered how to bathe your pet safely and effectively? Well, you're in the right place. Giving your pet a bath can be a wonderful bonding experience if done correctly. Today we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to safely bathe your pet. First things first, we need to gather all the necessary supplies. Preparation is key to a smooth bathing process, so let's ensure we have everything we need. In no particular order, we'll start with pet shampoo. It's crucial to use a shampoo specifically formulated for your pet species and coat type. Human shampoos can be too harsh for our furry friends, so it's best to stick with products designed for them. Next, we'll need towels. It's good to have a couple of these at hand. One for the initial dry-off and another for the final pat-down. Safety is paramount, hence a non-slip mat for the bathing area is a must. This will help prevent your pet from slipping and sliding around during the bath. A brush or comb is another essential tool. We'll need this to detangle and smoothen your pet's fur before the bath. Cotton balls are not just for removing makeup. We'll use them to block your pet's ears to prevent water from getting inside. Treats or rewards are also essential. We want to make sure we're reinforcing positive associations with bath time, and if your pet is comfortable with it, we'll need a hairdryer. Always remember to use a low heat setting and keep it at a safe distance. Lastly, rubber gloves. While these are optional, they can be handy if you're dealing with a particularly dirty pet or if you have sensitive skin. With all these supplies at hand, you're ready to start the bathing process. So let's dive right in, shall we? By the way, if you like this video and want to see more videos with advice on pet care, make sure to click the subscribe button and leave a comment down below saying I subscribed, and we'll do our best to reply to your comment. Before you fill up the tub, there are a few things you need to do. The first step is brushing your pet's fur. This may seem like a small detail, but it's an essential step in the pre-bath preparation. You see, brushing helps to remove any tangles or mats, ensuring a smoother, more effective bathing experience for both you and your pet. So, grab a suitable brush or comb and gently work through your pet's fur. Remember to be gentle, especially if your pet has a sensitive skin or coat. Next up, we need to choose the right location for bathing. Now, this could be a bathtub, a basin, or a specially designed pet bath, whatever works best for you and your pet. The key here is to ensure the chosen spot is safe, comfortable, and well-drained. A non-slip mat can be a great help, giving your pet a secure footing and reducing the risk of any slip-up during the bath. Once you've chosen the perfect bathing spot, it's time to prepare the water. Fill the tub with lukewarm water. It's important not to make it too hot or too cold. You can test the water temperature with your wrist, just like you would for a baby's bath. For cats and smaller dogs, you might want to go for shallower water. They generally prefer it, and it can make them feel more at ease. Now, a quick note about water temperature. It's more crucial than you might think. Pets, especially cats and dogs, have a different skin pH balance compared to humans. This means that water temperature can affect them differently, and what feels comfortable to us may not be comfortable for them. So always err on the side of caution and opt for lukewarm water. Now your pet's fur is brushed, you've chosen a safe and comfortable bathing spot, and the water is just the right temperature. You're all set for a positive and bonding bath time experience with your pet. Now that everything's prepped, it's time to get your pet into the tub. Now comes the fun part, the actual bathing. Our first step involves getting your pet wet. This is best done using a handheld sprayer or a cup. Always remember to start from the neck and work your way back, ensuring you avoid spraying water directly in their face. This technique helps keep the head dry and reduces the risk of water entering sensitive areas like the ears and eyes. Once your pet is wet, it's time to apply some shampoo. Be mindful of the product you're using. It should be a pet-specific shampoo tailored to your pet's species and coat type. Human shampoos can be too harsh for our furry friends, so it's crucial to use products specifically designed for them. When applying the shampoo, follow the instructions on the product for the right amount. Start lathering it onto your pet's coat, paying close attention to avoid the face, eyes, and ears. A good tip here is to use your fingers like a comb, working in the direction of fur growth. This helps distribute the shampoo evenly and really gets in there for a deep clean. Next comes the part your pet might enjoy the most, the massage. As you're working the shampoo into your pet's coat, take some time to gently massage their skin. Not only does this feel good for your pet, but it also helps to loosen dirt and grime. Focus on areas that tend to get especially dirty, like the belly or the paws. But remember, be gentle. We don't want bath time to become a stressful experience. Now that your pet is all lathered up, it's time to rinse. This step is crucial. You want to ensure all the shampoo is rinsed out of your pet's coat. Leftover shampoo can cause skin irritation, so take your time. Use your handheld sprayer or cup again, starting from the neck and working your way back. Make sure the water runs clear before you declare this step done. While we're on the subject of rinsing, let's talk about the face. Most pets aren't fans of having water poured on their faces. So, when it comes to rinsing off any shampoo around their head, use a damp cloth instead. This way, you can control the amount of water and prevent it from getting into their eyes or ears. Great job! You're almost done. Now, let's get your pet dried off. Bathing your pet can be a fun and rewarding experience for both of you. It's a chance to bond and show your pet some extra love. Remember, the key is to remain calm and patient, making the experience as positive as possible. And of course, always reward your pet for their good behavior. Because let's face it, who doesn't enjoy a good treat after a relaxing bath? After all the splashing and scrubbing, it's time to dry off and unwind. Drying your pet is a crucial step not to be overlooked. It's not just about getting them dry, but also about ensuring they're comfortable and cozy. You want to use a towel to gently pat your pet dry. No need for vigorous rubbing, as it can cause irritation and matting in their fur. Remember, the key word here is gentle. Now, some pets are okay with hair dryers. If yours is one of them, make sure you use a low heat setting. Keep the dryer at a safe distance and always observe your pet's reactions. If they seem stressed or anxious, it's best to stick to towel drying. Your pet's comfort is paramount. Once your pet is all dry, it's time for the cherry on top, the grand finale, the piece de resistance, the reward. This is an essential part of the process. You see, positive reinforcement works wonders. A treat, a favorite toy, or even just some good old-fashioned praise can help your pet associate bath time with good things. So don't skimp on the love and affection. Now you might think we're done, but there's one more step: post-bath brushing. Yes, you heard right. Once your pet is completely dry, it's time to brush their coat again. This not only keeps their fur looking its best, but it also helps prevent any matting and removes any loose fur. Plus, it's another great opportunity for some bonding time. Remember, every pet is unique. Some may love bath time, some may not. Some may enjoy a hairdryer, others might be scared of it. And that's okay. The key is patience and understanding. Ensure the experience is as stress-free and positive as possible. And now you have a clean and happy pet. Bathing your pet can be a bonding experience if done correctly and safely. Let's recap the steps we've gone through. First, gather all your supplies, including pet-specific shampoo, towels, a non-slip mat, a brush or comb, cotton balls, treats, and possibly a hairdryer and rubber gloves. Brush your pet before the bath to remove any tangles, and choose a safe, comfortable location with good drainage. Prepare lukewarm water and protect your pet's ears with cotton balls. Wet your pet, apply shampoo, and massage it into their coat. Rinse thoroughly and dry your pet gently, rewarding them throughout the process. Finish with a post-bath brush to prevent matting and remove loose fur. And remember, if your pet is anxious or if you're unsure about any steps, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional. Remember, every pet is unique, but with a bit of patience and care, bath time can become a positive experience for both of you. Happy bathing! If you liked this video, then make sure to also watch these videos for more DIY pet care tips and tricks.